On our top story for today, a film-worthy novel has hit the shelves, Rational Innocence. A debut novel written by J.A. Commodore has drawn enormous interest from readers all over the world, raking in an immense number of positive reviews. The story follows a lawyer who stumbles into a web of deceit and espionage, and ends in a perfectly designed set of plot twists and mysterious engagements. Rumours have surfaced that a number of studios might be interested in adapting the novel into a film. The book is available from Barnes & Noble booksellers and from Amazon as well. For more top stories, stay tuned.